Hey guys, here's my update for TourSmart. It's now fully functional, ready to go. I'll show you how it works for providers. Um, this is how it looks. Can change location. Boston. Filters. See him. Mobile tour. I added that little feature up here, no tours in this region. And then when you zoom out, it's going to show zoom in for new tours, and that's to keep the data pulling down, because otherwise it would be a very large range. When you zoom in close enough, it gets the tours that are in the area. Here are the green ones with prices. There it is. There are the ones that are free. I'll show you how integrated with PayPal. Here it is, pay with PayPal. Test, log in, send payment, done. Now I take my tour. Here we go. Just going to go through the tour real quick. Notice also that when it originally loads up, it shows just enough map space. Here's the end, rate the tour, 5 stars, give it a go. It shows just enough map space for the entire tour. So that's a nice function that was built in. So as we had earlier, you wanted the slider at the top. It didn't really look as good, so I instead have this, so you can go tour search and then map search, and that's always how you get back from one another. And if you load up the app and you don't have the GPS enabled, then it's going to go straight to the map, to the tour search, but it will still have the map search button available. So here we are on the map search. Just going to look at different tours and how it looks. Here we have the different sorting techniques above: the recent, nearby, paid, and free. Here are the current tours that are most recent, and they're also sorted by rating. First by date, then rating, and then when you click on nearby, it loads the ones that are nearby by rating. Paid, here are the ones that are paid by rating, and free. You can sort by language, and you can then go back and change your location. Go back to the map search. Let's continue. Yeah, and I think that is that. I'm going to go back to the create tour. Log in. Here you see the login, save username, password. Create account just loads a map view. I'll show it, or a web view, as it does in the Android app. And then you log in and you do your stuff there. Then you come back to the app and you log in with your credentials. Select the tour. Here are different tours. Nippermeyer. Upload audio. Do these things. Upload image. See, that's the only thing that we can't do right now, because I'll show you the developer page for Apple. This program enrollment and renewals has been down for the past 3 weeks, so I haven't been able to get a license, or a developer's license for Apple. And if you don't have a developer's license for Apple, then you can't actually simulate or run your code onto an iPhone. So without that, I haven't been able to actually test these things. All the code is in place for the open camera and whatnot, and upload audio, start recording and whatnot, but I just haven't been able to test it physically. Upload text works, and do test text. Upload that. Upload text was successful. Audio's on, for it tells you what tour you've selected, and you can turn that on or off. And yeah, the app is complete, and it's documented, and it uses multi-threading for most of the XML pull requests so that it doesn't freeze the app. I have these nice spinners. See the spinner in the middle? Yep. For when it's loading. I have them all over the place if it's going to take a while. I also built that full function for the create tour. If something is uploading, then every 60 seconds, or something is failed to upload, every 60 seconds it's going to check whether it actually just tries to upload it again until it succeeds. What else? I guess I just have a couple of questions. How are we saving a paid tour for a user? Because if there's not a call to the database, then I don't know how that works, or if it's saving to the phone. Um, I think also, I was just going to say that it would be cool. I think that we should use ad integration into this. I think it's a good app for using ads. Also, PayPal wants a unique ID that is not a phone ID. We can talk about that later. I also built a automation test suite, and I'll show you that real quick. Here's my automation. I'm going to run it, and it's just going to go through the app and press all the buttons and do all the things. Make sure that it's all working. See, as I'm not doing this, it's just automated. Also, it's fully optimized for the iPad. So really, you're just waiting on the developer license. And I don't know when that's going to be available. It's been offline for the past 3 weeks. But when I first saw that page was like, and then the script stopped. That was the full test. So when I first saw this page, there was like 75% of these were down, and they're slowly all coming back. So hopefully it'll be up soon. But yeah, that's all. Just wanted to show you. And I'm headed to Virginia tomorrow for a couple days, family reunion, and then I'm headed to Seattle a couple days later. But yeah, we'll be in touch about this. We should probably have a Skype meeting or some type of meeting like that. I think that's all. Yeah, for Fernando, I don't know. This is the 6 weeks, and it's fully done, all the requirements, except that it's just not. I haven't been able to test it, and it's not ready to release because I can't get a developer's license, so I don't really know where we're at on that. So talk to you soon.